Good morning, all of you. My name is Sanjay Kumar Patel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, MLB Textile and Engineering College, Bhilwara, Rajasthan. Here I am going to discuss Module 3rd, Lecture number 10, depends on the numerical related to cams. Construction of cam profile for a radial cam. How to construct the radial cam profile. Here we have discussed involve all steps to construct radial cam. In order to draw the cam profile for radial cam, first of all, the displacement diagram for the given motion of follower is drawn. First of all, we have draw the displacement diagram for follower. Then by constructing the follower in its proper positioning at each angular position, the profile of working surface of the cam is drawn. In constructing the cam profile, the working principle of kinematic inversion that can be used here now, that is, the cam is imagined to be stationary and follower is allowed to rotate in the opposite direction to the cam. Here we have applied the inversion of kinematics. We have fixed the cam and rotate follower opposite to the cam. The construction of cam profile for different type of follower with different type of motion are discussed with help of examples. Here we have discussed a numerical. A numerical said that a cam is given to the following motion to the knife edge follower. A cam with knife edge follower. Following data are given. First one, out stroke during the cam rotation is 60 degree. It means that rising stroke is 60 degree. Cam rotate clockwise 60 degree. Dwell for next 30 of cam rotation. After rotation of 60 degree, dwell time comes up to 30 degree. Third point, return stroke, next 60 of rotation, next 60 after 30 is the returning stroke, and remaining 210 degree comes into dwell category. A dwell time, the stroke of follower is 40 mm. It means that total length of follower from up to down is 40 mm and minimum radius of cam is 50 mm. It means base circle of the cam is 50 mm. The follower moves with uniform velocity. Here I have already discussed first point, when follower moves with uniform velocity, both out stroke and return stroke. Draw the profile of cam. How to draw the profile of cam? You are asking by the question. The axis of the follower passes through the axis of cam, that comes into radial cam, because axis of follower passes through the axis of cam. B, the axis of follower is offset by the 20 mm from the axis of cam. If our follower 20 mm offset of the axis of cam, then we have to draw the cam profile related to that question. First of all, we have draw the displacement diagram for the follower. First step, draw a horizontal line AX, that is the AX is equal to 360 degree. We assume that length is 100 mm, 20 mm, 360 mm, as you want data. AX is equal to 360. Total length AX is equal to 360 degree to assume a suitable scale. Then what will be the AS? AS is the outstroke 60 degree. So then how to calculate the length of AS? So 360 degree is equal to AX length. Therefore 60 degree is equal to how much length? We mark from A to S and divide into equal even parts like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here S is divided into even number and equal parts. After that ST is 30 degree. How to calculate the length of ST? We assume 360 is equal to length of AX. Therefore 330 degree is equal to how much length? Then we have mark S and T. Same procedure follow for TP, that is the outstroke 60 degree. How to calculate the length of TP? AX is equal to 360 degree or 360 degree is equal to AX length. Therefore 60 degree is equal to how much length? Therefore mark here T to P and divide into six equal parts and draw a vertical line passes through O dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. Similarly in outstroke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, draw vertical lines. Here step number second, draw vertical line AY. Draw vertical line AY. That length will be equal to the stroke length of the follower, that is equal to the 40 mm. Stroke length of follower is 40 mm. We have draw the length AY and makes a rectangle up to X. Divide the angular displacement during outstroke and return stroke into any equal number of parts. Even parts होना चाहिए. And draw the vertical lines through the each point. Already I told you we have divided equal number of parts 0 to 6 and also divide the return stroke 0 to 6. After that, since the follower move with uniform velocity, by the question, follower moves with uniform velocity during outstroke and return stroke. Therefore, the displacement diagram consists of a line. Here we have joined A to G, G to H, after that S to P. Or another way, we have drawn a semicircle, and semicircle diameter have 40 mm. Semicircle diameter has 40 mm, and that semicircle divided into 6 equal parts. And draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line, and that horizontal line cut at B, C, D, E, F, G also. After that H, K, L, M, N, that is the cutting point of horizontal line and vertical line. Join these lines and get a straight line. Draw a straight line. After that is a double time GH. Here displacement. So a horizontal line. After that S to P comes downward. draw a straight line. That will be the diagram for displacement for knife edge follower. How to draw the cam profile when axis of follower passes through the axis of camshaft. Here you can see that the axis of follower passes through the axis of cam. How many steps involved in draw the profile of cam? Here total 7 steps involves to complete the profile of cam. First of all, draw a base circle with radius equal to the minimum radius of cam 50 mm with O as a center. Here we assume that is the center of cam. Already in question given 50 mm minimum radius of cam, we have draw the circle of cam, and here we have represent knife edge follower, but their center line passes through the center line of cam, and that length is 40 mm because stroke length is maximum stroke length is 40 mm. During the out stroke, angle is 60 degree. We mark 60 degree anti-clockwise and draw a line passes through 6, and that is the number of 6, and also divide that arc into even equal number parts like that. 1 2 3 4 5 6, here total 6 number of divisions. After that, ST is the dwell time. Next 30 degree is dwell. So we have mark 30 degree anti-clockwise and draw a line passes through T and cut at point O dash. After that, next 60 degree is out return stroke. We have mark anti-clockwise 60 degree. A line draw passes through at point P, and also that arc divided into 6 equal parts: O dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. After that we have divide the stroke length into 6 equal parts, that is the length of 40. Here mark a point A, and that is the B, C, D, E, F, and last is Y. First of all, 40 mm divided into 6 equal number parts, and take a radius O to B, draw a circle. Again take a radius O to C, draw a circle. Again take a radius O to D, draw a circle, complete circle. O to E, O to F, and O to Y, draw a circle, complete circle, draws complete circle. When we have extended the line, extended line O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6, that lines cuts consecutively at one line at B, the circle passing through the B, OC at C, that circle passing through C, OD cut at D, and that circle passing through the D. Similarly, OG, again we have extended the line O 0 dash cut at H. Similarly O1 dash cut at J. Similarly O2 dash line cut at K. And similarly OP line cut at 6 dash. Then we have joined the cutting points. Therefore we can see that is the profile of the cam. Here that is the very important procedure, how to draw the cam profile of a given data for a knife edge follower.